I have built a lot of drop shipping stores, and I've helped a lot of other people build drop shipping stores. And I've come to kind of learn and kind of spot from far away which drop shipping stores are going to be successful and which are going to really struggle to get sales. A big mistake I see drop shippers doing is they just throw a lot of jumbled products together. It kind of becomes like a flea market of drop shipping products. This one is incredibly overpriced too. The problem is if you're just selling a bunch of random stuff, it's like you're basically competing with Amazon. Why is someone going to come buy from you instead of just going to Amazon where they know they'll get, good refund policy, they'll get their 2-day shipping. You don't want to compete with Amazon. You don't just want to be a general store. Terrible idea. The best reason for someone to buy from you instead of Amazon is if you have a brand. So for example, Meowingtons, which that's a fun name. But these are obviously a lot of drop shipped products that they're selling on here. I guarantee you they do not keep all these products in stock, but they have a brand that's centered around cats and like, hey, we're the cat experts and we have a community of cat loving people. Ironically enough, I have allergies today, so it's fitting that we're talking about cats. But people buy from them the same products that they could get somewhere else, but they do it because of the brand. They like Meowingtons. And this is going to even be more true as AI has made it so easy for anyone to spin up a dropshipping store. There's going to be so many dropshipping stores out there. It's crazy. So if you want to be successful, you can't just be a generic brand selling all sorts of things. You want to be a brand. So first thing that I will say, and this is true of any business, but also with dropshipping, people forget this in dropshipping, is you need to define your customer before building your store. What most people tend to do is they find a product on Alibaba or something. Then they try to figure out, okay, who would maybe buy that product? But that's like building a house and then finding somewhere to put it. Think about who your ideal customer is. Who is it that you want to connect to? Who is it that you're wanting to sell to? And you want to be kind of specific in this. So instead of, I'm going to be a fitness product store, you want to think, okay, I'm trying to sell to maybe busy parents trying to fit workouts in at home or something like that. Instead of phone accessories, think outdoor enthusiasts who need rugged gear, something like that. But do you see the difference there? One's a product category and the other is a person with actual problems that you can solve. That's what all business is, solving people's problems. Products can be the solution to people's problems, and that's what a dropshipping store is. And here's kind of your litmus test. If you can't picture one specific person using your products, your brand is too broad. You're trying to sell to everyone, which means you're actually selling to no one. You have to niche down. Once you know who your ideal customer is, it makes everything else. It makes all your decisions a lot easier. You can pick a store name that would appeal to that person. Something like Peak Gear Co. is just something AI came up with. That sounds like a real business. But, bestdeals247.com or something like that. Is that a real thing? Bestdeals247.com. Hey, that domain might be available. Maybe I'll pick that up. But that doesn't sound like somewhere I would want to buy something from. And you can put together a logo. I put in Google Nano Banana 2, give me a logo for an online store called Peak Gear Co. And look what it came up with. Again, people used to pay hundreds of dollars for something like this. This is actually pretty good. You can get a logo and then you can have AI help you put together the color scheme, whatever, make it look like a real business. So I've talked a lot about Doba, but this is the best way to get started. You can sign up for Doba, try it out for $1. They can help you generate your store, find your products, find sources for your products, and then fulfill your order. Basically, they can help you with everything. But this is something I didn't even know that they had, but they have it's called the Elite Academy, but they have training courses to make you successful in your dropshipping store. But if you get a standard account with Doba, you have access to all these masterclass courses. What is dropshipping, how to find winning products, how to do market research. I mean, honestly, if you go through all of these, you could probably teach people how to run dropshipping. So also a bunch of ebooks that you can go through and educational videos. And actually, I might be adding a video that hopefully they'll be able to put on here. So what I would love is I get asked about dropshipping every single week. But then I don't hear of a lot of people that are actually taking the steps and starting on their dropshipping journey. So what I would like you to do is if you're thinking about a side hustle, you've been thinking about dropshipping, stop thinking about it and let's just get started. Let's start taking some action to get closer to our goal. Pick your niche customer. Who is it that you're selling to? use Nano Banana, generate a logo. Don't spend much time on that. Sign up for Doba. Start going through these classes and let's actually get your store running. And I am here to support you. If you make a dropshipping store, I will feature it on the channel. Okay, so just shoot me an email, jpelton722@gmail.com. I will feature your store. Try to get you traffic. I'll help you out however I can. So link to Doba down below to sign up for the Elite Academy. And also I'll leave a link to my video where I go through a full, I think it's about 45 minutes, but here is setting up a dropshipping store. It's very easy. So I'll leave links to that down below. God bless you guys. Really enjoy what I do and you guys make it possible. So I really appreciate you. Have a great rest of your day.